Hey guys, welcome to your channel. Today we are going to discuss some points regarding answer writing. That means what are the elements of good answer writing. I have already uploaded many videos regarding answer writing practice for beginners. Link will be given in the description box. You can go through them. So in today's video we are going to see what are some of the basic elements of good answer writing. The foremost thing you have to keep in mind while writing answers for UPSC is to know the demand of UPSC, what UPSC wants from you, and how to prepare that mindset. I have already uploaded the video. The link will be given in the description box. You can go through the video. There you will find how to develop a mindset for UPSC. Once you get to know the demand and requirement of UPSC, then another thing you have to keep in mind is that dynamic status of administration. Why I am telling you that you are going to be a part of the administration, and as a part of administration you should know the dynamic situation of administration. As dynamism means what problems administration is facing, what are the probable solutions, how to simplify the problems. This will help you to form an administrative mindset, which is very much necessary. And why I am telling you to form this administrative mindset, when you write answers, you have to take care of this administrative mindset, because that reflection of administrative mindset regarding regarding problem solution, finding the best alternative, or understanding the problems. All these elements will help you to become a good administrator, and these must have to be reflected in your answer. That is why understanding the dynamism of administration is very much necessary, which will eventually help you to form a administrative mindset, and which is very much necessary for you, that must have to be reflected in your answer. Then static plus current. Some students think that adding only current affairs is enough. The UPSC is going to be current affairs based day by day. That is true. But that does not anyhow mean that you will exclude the static part, because the static portion will give a base. And without base, you cannot link to current. That is why putting the current linking with static portion is very much necessary in your answer. However the question is current, however the question is static, in both cases you have to refer to static or current. If the question is totally static, then also from the administrative mindset you should add some current points. And if the question is also totally current, then also you should refer to some static portions from your basic books. Right. Then a proper language. Proper language is very much necessary, because as an administrator, you are the person who will simplify them. That is why do not use flowery and very much complex language. Your duty is to simplify the administration, simplify the problems, to listen to the common people, to advise the common people, to cooperate with the common people. Your language must have to be easy, flow. Easy does not mean that you need to abstain from using some kind of vocabularies. I am not telling you. There's some kind of language which will put a kind of ambiguity. Do not use this type of language. Here, the complex language means ambiguous language. Right. Then another point regarding language is that you have to take care of the language of each paper. If you are writing the GS1 paper, do not use language of GS2, GS3 or GS4. Each paper follows a particular kind of language. And I'll tell you that how to develop that kind of language for each paper. Right. If you are writing answers for GS1, then do not refer to much more political, much more articles from the constitution, right? Because that is separate. You are dealing with the society. in VS1, right? There you need not to have to emphasize much more articles, right? Here your duty is to deal with the society, deal accordingly. In that way, if you are writing VS2 paper, right, there is a polity question, do not emphasize here much more on society part. Here your duty is to deal with the sections or deal with the articles of the constitution, right? In that way, you have to maintain a proper order of language in each paper. Then simplify at your level best. The question, your first duty is, this is the very crucial point of UPSC questions. Whenever, generally the questions are not difficult, because their language is difficult, wording is difficult. And as an administrator, your first duty is to recover that simplicity which is hiding behind that language, right? That is why simplify the question and write the answer in a simplified way at your level best. Whether you are using flowchart, whether you are using points, whether you are writing in paragraph form, that does not matter. The matter is how you have expressed the answer, showing all the problems, pointing out the solutions, right? This is important. That is a simplify the answer at your level best is very much necessary and a very important point of good answer writing. Then another important thing is that hit the directives of the question. This is very much important because the directive like discuss, elaborate, right, write, mention, these are very much important because the whole demand of the question is actually based on the directives. Right, that is why you can also go to my videos. I have made 2 videos till now regarding the directives. That is why hit the directives. Directives means the know the demand of the question, what the question is asking. Go according to the directive. Right, that is why before practicing answer writing, you must have to know the proper meaning of each directive thoroughly. So these are some basic elements of good answer writing. I'll come again with another video. Till then, take care of your health, take care of your study, and bye-bye.